Well, hello, darling. My name is Christopher Griffin, also known as Plant Kween. I am a nature nerd, a plant enthusiast with a fashionable flair. And we are currently in my lush indoor jungle of about 200 plants. Yes, you heard right, 200 plants in Brooklyn, New York. So we are currently in my multi-purpose space, which includes my living room, my plant nook, and my working space. Everything in my space is with intention, and I really believe that when you're decorating your space, it's like writing a love letter to your past, present, and future self. I love the color yellow. It's also the color of my grandmother's favorite flower, the sunflower. I love swans, so we got this pillow. And then this is by a Black business owner, and I'm always supporting Black-owned businesses, and so very much my vibe. And I have a shrine for my mother. These particular roses are just a constant reminder of the gentle touch and love that my mother always showered me with. We are currently in my plant nook. I tend to use this space as a place to meditate and sit with the plants that I have. I have about 45 to 50 plants, or as I like to call them, green girls. I have some wall art here that I've thrifted and painted myself, actually. Yes, she is an artist, darling. For me, each plant is a bit of a classroom, an opportunity to be curious and to learn. And I do think that my plants have allowed me a pathway to explore enjoying my own company. As a person who works remotely, it is important that I have a space to get the work done. So this chair, I love it not only because it resembles like a bamboo kind of design, but it's also yellow. The desk is a very light wood, and it is adorned with a bunch of green girls. We decided to put the wallpaper on the ceiling to kind of encapsulate you and make you feel like you're in this whimsical, playful area. And I have a lot of lushness because I like to be surrounded by nature. I would say my bedroom probably has the most plants out of any room in my apartment. In terms of the color scheme, it reminds me of the ocean. Call me Little Mermaid, you know? The reason I enjoy this plant and why I feel like it adds to the design of my space is that the speckles, right? It kind of matches my wall. We love a theme. We love consistency. This is also the space that I wrote most of my book, You Grow Gurl. It's a guide to growing your inner garden as well as your indoor garden. And there you have it, darling, my bedroom where I lay my head and I breathe that good air quality thanks to my lush green girls. Darling, we come to the end of the house tour. I hope my lush green girls, my vibrant decor inspires you to live colorfully, vibrantly, and unapologetically in your truth. If you want to follow along on the journey, darling, follow me at Plant Kween. That's Plant Kween. And honey, I'll see you there.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.